Tozani bogogo nomkhulu sarikwazi endoda lesogogo bathi nimbathi mawuvula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-Aunty Usha. Sikhuluma ngendaba enkulu namhlanje. It will be very sensitive for close-minded audience. Today's topic, it really needs us to be open-minded. As always, you know, we need to think out of the box without offending other people, because this is a family channel. This is a family channel. It's not a channel for traditional healers. It's not a channel for pastors. It's a family channel, meaning we need to accommodate every member of the family. That must be very important. And another thing that is very important, this is not a channel for Zulu speaking people. This is not a KZN channel. It's an international channel, because the reason I'm speaking English, which is one of the languages I don't like because I don't know how to speak it properly, it means that I'm striving in making sure I accommodate as many audience as possible. And English, probably you'll find it throughout the world. There are countries that they are content in their own language. I remember when I went to Angola, the only thing that I saw written in English, one, it was products from South Africa. The second one, it was alcohol that was written in English that I could understand. Not that I was at the bottle store. Let's get that correct. Let me explain. I was not at the bottle store. In Angola, it's like Mozambique. It's like Turkey. Alcohol is sold at supermarkets. So you are not there for alcohol, but you are looking for other products. But because of people cannot speak your language, so you need to try to look for yourself. So by getting from aisle to aisle, that's why I can say it was also English written alcohol that I saw. Oh, Lana, they are talking about Isminov. So today we are talking about LGBTQIA+. LGBTQIA+. Right? However, I'm going to focus a lot in what I'm exposed to day in, day out, or rather what is generally understanding of the abbreviations that I just mentioned. Let's only focus on two abbreviations, L and G, which is lesbians and gays and ancestors. So today we are talking about lesbians, gays, ancestors. The question is, I've been asked this thing to do this video for the longest of time. I have been asked to do it for the longest of time, and I wasn't running away from it. It's just that I did not understand. I still don't understand so much request to say, Saluka Sendota, please talk about this. Because gays and lesbians are human beings. Why do we have to talk about gays and lesbians alone as if they are some animals? They don't belong to our society. I don't understand. You forgive me, I'm holding a pen today because what I normally picked up, you know, as I'm talking, other topics, they rise, and I think I'll remember, forgetting that I'm not a computer, which is on autosave. So I need to quickly write on my diary if something pops in. So, but I said, okay, it's fine, because I've been sent as ugogo of this channel, as the grandmother of the channel. Let me talk to my grandchildren about lesbians, gays, and ancestors. I don't like talking about this. Not that I have any problem with gays and lesbians. I don't. I really, 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 really don't have issues about gays and lesbians. Why should I? Who I am to judge them? Who I am to label them? Who I am to reduce them from being humans to be something else? Who I am to do that? So I will talk about it regarding ancestors. We need to be clear on that. Gogo, we have realized at home ukuthi my elder brother is gay. And we have shocking, this is what the messages I get. Gogo, we've realized that elder brother is gay. And we have shocking pictures of him kissing other men. And I don't know if ever he is relevant still to talk on my behalf, Emsamo, on the ritual that you are coming to do for the family. Wena, what's wrong? You, Sana, what's wrong with you? Guys, oh, there's another one. I'm glad I've spoken to her about this. And I'm not glad that the mother has passed on, but at least the mother has passed on. Gogo, we've realized that my mother was lesbian, but she was hiding it for the longest of time. So I wonder if ever she's going to be a relevant ancestor for my children. Yo, oh, we are papa, sis. And I'm glad I told you this. We are papa. I didn't hide it. Guys, I told you it's a tough one. Okay, let me take it back. Let me take it back on back in the days. Let's just go back in the days. Let me take you to my age as ugogo wenu siyemuva manje, back in the age. Guys, lesbians and gays are not new. They are not technology. Let's get that clear. Gays and lesbians, they are not technology. They are not new. Lesbians and gays, whether we say lesbians, gays, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, asexual, plus, all those things are not new. They are not technology. They are not AI. Lesbians and gays are not AI. We need to get that clear. We need to get that clear. They did not come with freedom. It's not a service delivery of the beloved ANC. They didn't come post 1994. No, they've been there for ages and ages and ages and ages. Because lesbians and gays are born that way. And they are not disabled. It is not a disability. Because you need to go and understand what is the definition of a disability. If you have a problem with lesbians and gays, which means you are a problem yourself, when you are a problem, because you don't want to understand what happens. It's like people who are blaming people who are committing suicide. No, he should have been strong. The line is thin. You don't know what came to their mind when they've decided to take their lives. You don't know what came across their minds at that particular time. So you cannot come here and say, well, no, people mustn't kill themselves. They must talk. Do you know these educated people? Because they must talk. People must talk. He should have spoken to us. Yeah, have you ever seen that a child has killed himself because of the mother has passed on and everything? No, but I'm here as an uncle. He could have spoken to us. But uncle, remember on the funeral when you said, Bantwana bakasis, you won't struggle when I'm still alive. What did you do after your sisters passed on? What did you do after your brother passed on and they left the family? Did you take care of them? Did you do something about it? You didn't. We are not there. If you need that video, we need to talk about it. So, this thing of lesbians and gays, they are human. Yes, I said it. These things that you called lesbians and gays, they are not things. They are human. So there's no point of you wanting to be smart. Mina, I will disown my child if it's gay. I'll disown my child if it's lesbian. It's fine. It's fine. That's your own baby. That's your own decision. And you must deal with it at the end of the day. Because I have a strong feeling ukuthi people who are in denial of gays and lesbians, you can find out ukuthi somewhere within the family they have one or two ancestors that are lesbians and gays. When you can only find out that you are busy thokoza gogo, thokoza mkhulu, we are talking about your ancestor who's maybe a transgender. How about that? Maybe your ancestor is asexual. How about that? Why I'm saying that, it's because back in the days, people were not free throughout the world. Till today, there are countries that it is illegal to be gays or lesbians. One of those countries that has just been announced, which they are waiting for the president to sign it to law, which it's illegal to be a gay or lesbian, is in Ghana. I was very disappointed. I took it personal. I was very disappointed. Because I'm asking myself, since when is it a sin to be lesbian and gay? Why is it a sin to be lesbian and gay? What have these individuals, these human beings, have done to deserve such a treatment? We have our brothers and sisters who are being killed because of their sexuality. We have children that have been rejected in their families because of their lesbians and gays. Why is that? Why is that? What is it that these individuals, they've done in this country? Who said, Tina, we are normal, and the Bona, they are not normal? What if they are the only human beings that are normal and we are not? How's that? I don't want to talk about I became a lesbian because of what happened to me. I became a gay because of I was done something. No, I'm talking about people who were born that way. They don't have a choice, because the more they tried to hide behind that shell of being lesbian or gays, that shell got smaller and smaller. It broke into pieces that they cannot cover anymore. There is nothing wrong about lesbians and gays. Yes, they can speak on behalf of the family if one is titled to be the one that is speaking on behalf of the family when communicating with ancestors. Okphahla. So your brother who is gay, he's still your brother. He's just that he's gay. And I'm not going to come here and come up with the lessons to say, how do you see if this person is gay for sure, or he's just afraid of girls? How do you see if this one is lesbian or is just afraid of sex, of boys? I'm not going to teach you that. If you are so concerned about lesbians and gays and you hate them so much, go and read about them. Go and do a research about it. And you'll realize how short-sighted you are. You'll realize how small-minded you are. And how close-minded you are. If you take it as an insult, imagine the one that you are insulting, that you are rejecting into the society. They are not supposed to be gays and lesbian. Gogo, my child went to Gyochwasa. My child was normal, came back lesbian. I'm not talking about such. We are not there. We're not there. Let's stick to born gay and lesbian. Gogo, other people will ask me to say, Gogo, are you straight? I get that question a lot. Why people will ask me that is because of me saying Gogo. Guys, when it comes to ancestors, only the one that is the one in the family in terms of age group is the one that is supposed to talk to ancestors, and it differs from from tribe to tribe in terms of who in this tribe can speak to ancestors. The culture is totally different. It's not only the Zulus whereby they will say it's an elder one, or it's a son, or it's an old woman who's on menopause, whatever. It differs from generation to generation. It differs from tribe to tribe. However, whoever who is on your family, who is supposed to be talking to ancestors, and only to find out that person is gay or is lesbian, so what? Because your ancestors cannot see that. The ancestors that you are going down on your knees with Impepo and candles, they don't see that, and they don't care about that part. They don't care. I know of a father who chased the son away, the elder son away from the family because of he's gay. I went there to do a ritual, and I've asked, where's your elder son? And he pointed this one that called me. I said, no, not this one. No. He didn't tell you what happened. I said, who? This one, no, he didn't tell me. What happened? Please tell me. No, hey, Gogo, and then he laughed. Hey, what had his mom so he decided to be gay and everything. Then I've shown him a door. And I said, then I will have to leave. And I left. I left because if I continued with that ritual, it was not going to be successful. Because we needed that one. We needed that one. And listen to this. The one that is saying this is similar surnames. Father. It's not a biological father. The biological father is passed on. So he comes to this family because of he has money. And these guys, they are depending on him. They listen to him because he has money. They allowed, let me call him a stranger with the same surname, to tell them, to say, this one doesn't worth to be part of the family. Then he must leave because of he's gay. How disgusting is that? How disgusting is that? So, the way I'm getting more and more disciplined, grounded in my calling, you can keep your money. You can keep your money, and I'll keep my truth, and I'll keep my understanding. I'll keep my open mind, because there's nothing wrong. It's like this thing that your elder brother mustn't ban Impepo here at home or communicate with ancestors because he's a drunkard. because it doesn't work. So the younger one who has all the money, he's the one that must do everything. It cannot work like that. Unless he doesn't want to be involved. Yes. So we need to get to the point of understanding ukuthi gays, lesbians are part and parcel of the society. Let's not judge them. Let's not come up with the names. Let's not do all these such things that we are doing on gays and lesbians in the name, hiding behind the Bible, hiding behind the ancestors. Good to know this one won't be accepted. There are churches. There are churches that are against lesbians and gays. Churches, big churches. Why is that? Why is that? So everybody else was made by their image of God. And the rest of the gays and lesbians, they were not made by the image of God. Then they were made by whose image? Because they must tell us which verse in the Bible that describes ukuthi gays and lesbians, they must burn in hell. And where is hell? Maybe Christians, they must tell us ukuthi where is hell? And I'm not going to talk about people who decides to be gays and lesbians because they feel ukuthi being a gay or lesbian is a status and you're going to be rich automatically. No. No. The question then will say, Gogo, I've realized ukuthi gays and lesbians, most of them, they are successful. Yes, because of their being rejected in society. So in their own space, they are making sure ukuthi they excel. Smart gays and lesbians, in their own small corners, they make sure ukuthi they excel. To prove you ukuthi they will succeed. Even if you try to block them, they will succeed. I remember one of the meetings I went to, and then there's this chairperson, and I'm glad I was called. Security was called to chase me out, and at least I left that meeting. I didn't get that small job I went there for, but I told him the truth. He said to this young man, he said to him in front of us, so how must we address you? He or she? How disgusting is that? Ubaba umdala to ask that rubbish question. And I raised it with him. And I said, I didn't expect that from you. You look very intelligent. But I guess it's just the looks that deceived me. You don't. You are very small-minded. I'm sorry to say that, but I have to say it. Do you know who I am? I don't know who you are. Do you know who I am? I don't know who you are. I don't need to know who you are to tell you you are small-minded. That young man, he was not there to be tested, to know whether he's a he or she. He's gay. It ends there. And if you don't like gays, it's fine. Leave it out. Leave it out. You don't have to now show off because of where now you think you're straight. That's why we find so many people who are being gays and lesbian that are hiding. If you've been into a relationship with a partner that has hidden ukuthi they are gays or they're lesbian, it's because the society hates the hell out of them. Others, they want to prove the point to their parents. Others, they don't understand how they feel. They don't understand themselves. They don't. The others, they realize late to say, you know what, when it comes to sex, I tried this, I tried that, I tried this, I tried that, and I failed. I don't know what else must I try, only to find out, ukuthi, no. It's either you lesbian or you gay. So please forgive them. Yeah, Gogo, I'm so confused. My sister has a child, but suddenly we've realized, Uguti, my sister is lesbian. Yes, it does happen. There are people who die not knowing their sexuality. It does happen. It does happen. Yes, somebody can be a man today and tomorrow they realize, or something that they read, something that they're watching, something that they heard, it provokes some feeling that confirms Uguti they are gays or they're lesbians. It does happen. So I have addressed this. I'm sorry to be emotional. There's nothing wrong with lesbians and gays. They can communicate with ancestors. They can be traditional leaders. They can be traditional healers as well. There can be anything under the sun. There is nothing wrong with them. And we need our government to continue to invest money into programs on radio, television, and social media in making sure Uguti there's more and more education about gays and lesbians, so that we have limited children that are killing themselves, so that we have limited people that are getting into marriages and that affects others. Uti bye inside the marriage. Brother is gay. Sisters is lesbian. It does happen. It does happen. So let's be open-minded. And I've helped many couples in breaking the news because I've invested in doing research, in doing small causes when it comes to counseling, and especially when it comes to sensitive issues. Things like you don't know how to tell him, Uguti, this is not your child. You don't know how to tell him, Uguti, this is not your sister, it's your daughter. You are afraid to tell whatever things that you feel, Uguti, he can kill you. Whatever you feel, Uguti, he can kill you. I'm raising my hand to say, come see me. Please, come alone first. Let's talk about it. What is it that he knows about you? And trust me, I will find a way to break the ice. If you find yourself, Uguti, you gay, and you don't know how to open it up to your family, you don't know how to tell this lady, Uguti, hey, sisters, actually, I'm gay. You want to tell your husband, your boyfriend, Uguti, you lesbian. You are attracted to other women. What happens within gays, or what happens between lesbians, Uguti, who's who? Guys, this is not a video for the lessons about gays and lesbians. We are just talking about them in general as part of us. So I'm raising my hand to say I'm available because I'm committed to make the society that I'm living in to be conducive. As a human being, as Ubatini Mbata, as a traditional healer, and as a member of the society, I am committed to that. So I'm availing myself to say, if you feel, Uguti, you gay, you don't know how to get out of the closet. If you call it a closet, I hate that term, Uguti, you are in the closet. No, you are just not ready. You are just not ready to come out into a public. And Uguti, you are gay and lesbian. It is not something to be ashamed of as if it's something for public consumption. It is not. Don't be afraid. Let's fix the country. Let's fix this. In closing, again, gays and lesbians, they didn't come with so-called freedom with the ANC. It's not freedom. It's not neither apartheid. It has been there before those things. Stay tuned. Koko bathini mbathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-anti usha. We are human. We are one. Thokozani.